Welcome to the success lecture. In this video, I'm going to measure memory and forgetting. Part of psychology. So a lot of them some like chapter 3, chapter 5, and other chapter. So I'm on the process to complete them. So So this topic of today is memory. And forgetting exactly like in forgetting ba mo ke du dogola min dini jan wala ke topic and dini jan ka part ban writing the memory. So content ban writing gatin manam definition of memory ban writing how the process of memory, the structure of memory, stage of memory. So structure of memory can stage of memory ka kana kelo last part you are factor that affect memory. Shana to definition. Along the con kel da con go da con apply especially chapter 3 la learning. Learning can memory sometimes da con which la da ke la rom go but the word can con go definition do memory go da con learning con you learning ngo. So me ko na we con learning but video de be just separate le ko chapter de ko ala learning me ko no we con cheta ta de point de chalaro it is often used to refer to a process involved in the initial acquisition or encoding of information. Ala ta me ko no ko na to nwara ala ta na ko information la ready al ke ngwana di alten goro bana ko memory da mu kan ko memory define tan bana ngwana nang de che ko mu ci wa kala pila ker belin ba ila la ker che ko mu ji video ma da bitre begelin bu ko wakati la ko ka acquire kan information ko code wakati kete. So ala process mo ala the initial to ko do ala the initial acquisition ke encoding of those information throughout the real kato no man ba cho learning me ba ko lo dan ko bi ko da kan memory ban mi ko lo ko memory amon kan wo ga definition ga tun wan Katanda kon man memory refer to the later storage and retrieval of information. So me ko joy ci ngwana ci ko nan ka learning ci ko acquire kan information ci we ala bi memory ba wata nanan kan da diala to tan ci acquire kan information da ta bu ko to gede kana ta bu ko ko mu ko lo hidra run ko bi ko bi ko mun da zikala gede ba ko memory to du ka ke kana lu durar ka ko bi ko bilat ko wor mu ci link ko wana la mu ci kun bi ngwan ro bi ka kwar ka wando ke bi ke link jitku so bi ko wore so mu ci ko wore bi ke store mi ci ke store ro mu ta won la bi ke no de bi ke retrieve ko bi won bi ko la ke so store again kana retrieval a memory but tan ku ka kwar je mun an kare je learning. So that's why we say intelligence does not exist without memory. Then me telecom information which can get stored, which can retrieve. We are not intelligent. So without memory, it is very difficult to say that they call Adam more intelligent. We could call when definition gotta go. Take a good time to go to lecture. One, our memory, a retention of information, retention of what is learned earlier over time. So tell me to call there are a lot of remembering. There are information the teacher learn you well. Quick remember from tiang ni gada do platela le dik kam bi alto platela ko ni as a student platela le de yana friend ko ngara ko dial tawna no ku ko remember ke je ku ko lo let ke je ring zedu ala ba ki memory. So that kon no number a way we record the past for later use kan yin content ci kon ga during the past time. So go can take a time that kon record ta da ko record ya na a story again ta ko kon store ke je ko ban ko la derun ko ta take mi dir len mi ngi je bi wala derun ko mi dong mi ci ba la derun dong ci da kar ke dong ci da le ke ci da diar ko be taw da ngar be mo. So ta ko kon ma record ke ko ban ko use letter memory. So memory la la blanket ka mo kama tend to capas can ten ban latin one a blanket come then ke bridge but the process of memory that process can do the other con don't be memory from time and be memory being caught today but the first part is encoding the con now is learning them. So second part by storage by third part by retrieval so ka first part gwa me ka encoding ala encoding it refers to form key code in which item of information is to be placed in the memory ala take a look one to that item down for the memory let's say there nena door ala go jani jaba ko wang do chen chi lin che kara min ko na no so there one no but there ka encode ke jen do mo ko wang da bang ba da wo ko memory de mi ling ko dir door de ling ba chen chi wo mu chi ko mu ja wo mu sa yan kala ke door go mo dir door de ling dir la nang dai da wo ko memory ala ta nan ko no ne code nan ana code to ka je kyan ku feel do bo ku feel do ci wala ñoo do do ba ba di ti no mo na ñoo do ba so kan di al to ko ko memory ko je so ala do mo ko no na nang re from environment work on especially that one use the sensory organ ci am do won ran jidran ka lebran mo kan de to ro de ko record ko bi ko memory in encoding so we transform sensory input and sensory input dial ci ko menene ci ko mi ci tap ci ko mi ci bil ci ko mi ci link so can sensory input to ba ko transform into form or memory code that can be further processed but that thing and we share and we sharing core processing no ba all ka central nervous system ka especially central nervous system exactly like the spinal cord and brain so that information ba ko no in code so I mean ba ko process ci ka in code to one go can processing here we should go right mo kan ko process ci da now they store go me jen go bi ko central nervous system especially ka normal ta karan ala the first part in by judge in memory keje me shale hippocampus ka temporal lobe ka brain so that area again go by processing of those information ba wala ten theater ala storage it is a location a guardian in memory system in material system ala guard ka memory system ta ko gwamu ba information di altin di ala kon cinare ba ko tawten ci ko da ko la ran ne da hippocampus pa da dia a guard ke na ta ko ya le ta memory ban mi ta wala ta memory ba mun kuma ci al frontal lobe ko brain so ngwame critical location is ba info ba ta di ala ko memory ba ka store mular ko na da le sai kiran shi nan mi shi nan wala shi boot ke la mun kine store go ala kine la kine attention kine to tunba so shi no mo ce ba tede ce ba re ce ba ra ba ta ko memory rundi ra ba dia bai storage system information memory exactly the other tribal the process of memory the tribal is a point at which one try to remember just the blue line me gwara yelde ce da pali wala phone gwada na ku to di al to kon ti to tin ci store after mi ce ke store bi ku remember so gwamo mu ku remember ke je ajan chala the tribal so particular memory place in di al ko ta ka ngedo bi ku lora then mi da ko la ta it is in the tribal a memory storage material in memory storage located and brought into awareness and use it so kan material ta kan storage area bigin ka awareness kan nan bigin use ko bigin ta function so then ke ti chala stage ke structure of memory so according to Gabriel Atkinson kan Sheffrin so the different psychologists which can on no but these two scientists kan ne brar or talk structure of memory so take a sensory memory ke sensory register ke short term memory a long term memory so me ta goto no bana no nyu ten ko turu no mane la na ma be kon no tan da no any structure of memory can process of memory ta ka da na let's say system la cnn ana do te mane ne ya ko wando te mane ngani ya jido na mo system la ten ba ban ka sensory memory ko ngai ko no ba process me ba to ka sensory memory jan nyam ba ko ro ngana me ta wa sensory memory ne ba attention be la making attention kin la they forget either making attention that they ko forgetting they parwich but making attention chi la chi palpin wata dir do go jeta ko wonu bang but making attention kin la ten chi da go chi da ngali ngul ro nyam do aken making attention ni to wonu ye ko palpin mo go jeta na me so go mo wa bo ko cheta memory ki ko nenda bo me ali cheta memory but in this cheta memory Michi go jiga kan to reality anador ta ka process ni ka dang dial anador ta process ka dang dial but ala short term memory Median can long term memory go great encoding. But take a system, they call you encode Gajagola, long term memory, a warmer permanent. So it's not to come sensory memory, sensory register. The intro way memory. Ala do and big in Kodia, big work memory to get sensory memory. Sensory memory. Memory may check or we call it central nervous system. Take a peripheral organ, a peripheral sensor organ. Sensor organ can I use now one now woman. So ala intro way, la do open bungan memory, then can guard to the committee that depends on you don't have memory, still memory, but I do. So that control intro way, kida control past information storage area. Then go up information ideal, back on storage and go big or but they need attention. So let's say a new could then Jalaro it has holding time. Let us see come call Roman one again. But she then go permanent chocolate, but on one again. Returning information until we select item for attention. Yes. Go man, I can sensor memory. They don't want to wonder to collect, they go wait, they go away. Quite a lot of coach, Quentin Bocon and so Mr. Quinn. Queen Bongo Bacan and Balachi Bacohologo. But Monsieur Alatin Chimo attention because welcome Murdu last short Chiamta term long term memory. Ten kin more attention because we know Guam, but chicken and she okin again, chicken and one word antiquana, but okin come attention. Okay, so it gives us a brief time to decide whether information is extraneous or important. I didn't go on banner alaka when information go high, key jagger, be ejected, be decide near term memory. Okay. So it can hold visual or information reaching out simple brief time, but this one a long time checking out. There are less, but me don't kin angal jag dom about work a long term memory, catch a time memory. So che door the giant in one, la very brief long. A sensory memory, thereupon separate got one. For example, may a visual image, iconic memory. Iconic memory, a memory don't cut a name for one down. It remains in visual system for a maximum 1 second. You see? Take as an example, you could door which door. So be a man lay door and a window to be a door. Be a man with time that a giant with when she lay near a cake. So be at least 1 second, it is possible with that. I did memory, cold memory, apart of sensory memory. Just generally, a sensory memory can memory to conquer an organ. Melan is an organ. Organ can want 10 to go to 10 to you to take it. We got a content and wanted to call the same kind of environment. So, most information is sensory memory, la malga decay. Bane Jacob for getting decay, money for getting. We would work on decay. Okay, but then she work attention, back and uncle, back and uncle short term memory. Information that got attention because Kashaka recognize part short term memory for further processing. One is short term memory. Short term memory, a kind of memory, but this one is not sensor memory. Like short term memory take a brain, but sensor memory take a peripheral organ. You can't learn it. Short term memory take a brain location, which are compass, temporal. Young one upon memory. So a part of memory that holds the content about attention. And attention can my attention, sensory memory, I don't go back up and hold in memory. But the problem is short-term memory, unlike long-term memory, I like young one talk a long time. But like what is important in Banako Jack an example of it. The Banako in the states. Guame wajen in short-term or chalaro short-term are not a brief replica of environmental matters. They are not just environmental matters. Environmental matters in Congo. The third by Pordanic and resort perceptual analysis. That means take a teacher environment through sensory memory. Probably commercial perceptual analysis, perception brain. Which I perceive a brain back analyzing information through a byproduct information to analyze brain. Can book a part short-term memory. Short-term memory, for example, it is very important for variety of tasks. Check thinking. Which are take a chart, thanking the word, did go in charge of the tongue in the word. Reading, Speaking and problem solving ka three can yin short-term memory. Ala others time the short-term memory chalga there is ko working memory. A memory mo ala ndo ba. Immediate memory, kidation active memory, primary memory. Short-term memory take a four important characteristics. One, it is active. It is active. And a short-term memory active could a workspace to process new information and to call up or rebound information from long-term memory. Man shall can active. And most of the thing they are, and then con the until I take a long-term memory. And we become recall through short-term memory. We could have short-term memory. She will be like a long-term memory directly. And I know general long-term short-term memory is always active. Second, rapid accessibility. Which way share especially information ka short-term memory. And then you can talk about short-term memory. Which you cook recall allow you recall. The American access along. Talk along or do come access go did what remember that. So come to Quincy go. Don't want you be able to recall. Dear man long, but no more package short-term memory. I'm a long-term memory. Don't you recall? Dear recall pan kilo, but I got it all don't do anything. But this one is very accessible, which you could recall. So it is active, a first characteristic. Second characteristic of a rapid accessibility. Joke, it preserves the temporal sequence of information. Along the economy, look at the time and then one to work time by time. A lot of time you would require them preserve. We did a night who can yam to work. Make a better than you to work. Longer the theatre, but unlike long-term memory, sometimes it's very difficult. Long-term memory, which one understand. But short-term memory, a temporal sequence of information is very good. Ala taking quick preserve. So one then short-term memory has limited capacity. Yes. And short-term memory sometimes it is very difficult. During one, the number of information they can short-term memory can handle at one time is very small. A good way, catch a time memory on that one and check remembering of the poor number. Which poor number camera, don't go around my calling back, don't go around my be number be go haraka phone den brano yara ga de so dir number de kamera ko mutu bam don tala gala miche gwar ni de so ko kuji mo ajen ta na la ka be ga jaban miche to ka kabla la shiram yara ga number mu da ruwi do ajen one way ka chata memory but ta kul wona na la short-term memory ta ka do mu go ma da ko na da la ko ci kon ga yo ta ka limited capacity ya ka kan characters dan go on pa ko la ko cha active. Okay, it is active. It preserves a temporal sequence of information. It has rapid accessibility and it has limited capacity. One take a characteristic. But me kon ko go take a limited capacity. Cha kon te je na la. Da kon ka kula da alaka di da kon problem mo kula solve di. You be short-term memory but tun wani bana. Cha wa bana kan information di Allah po number pa ko wa po number wa bana divide into the chunks. Ala chunks kan katik ngwane ti da ko la ro ka some small information ti cha group se ko po number rio group ko number la te ko wa mi go ro be ngare member go dam group jok so mi chi group jok so ngomo gire ngal ro member go ayo chan che par we a jan ko according to the model of memory while we overcome this problem a limited capacity ka brain ka memory by grouping a small group of information into a large unit or chunks. Chunking, a grouping or packaging of information to higher order unit that can be remembered as single unit. So become a sharp. So you may use words. What did a chunk didn't want to chunk into word? Here a chunk of phrase, here a chunk of sentence, or even visual image. So it depends on time and the previous experience. So short-term memory may hold information, song, visual image, word, sentence, and so on. And it may be up to 30 seconds by most estimates. And it's called working memory. I mean, what we call sensory memory. At least 1 second. But short-term memory may take 30 seconds. Long-term memory. Another type structure of memory. This one, a memory used for relatively permanent storage of meaningful information. So, whenever the information is very meaningful, so that information Goro did it talk a long time, and it must be permanent in the brain. Did it all remember the guarded the one. So if the editor a lot can one, God ball then a little within one, but she never did. So all the thing for a long time. Did you can remember? So which class a long time memory. Long time memory go at it and check a temporal loop like a compass lot corner. Or I'll take a part which are frontal cortex, brain, chemical frontal lobe. Then go to memory rotating. Allora, a me take a problem ci around here take a psychiatric disorder, which is psychiatric disorder, la disorder take a frontal cortex. One of the things about back memory, coaching on the remember. So what scale thing so the capacity ka long term memory it has no practical limit. Tell a limit which a lot. That could pay gua. Tell a limit which a lot. So capacity there just it is unlimited which you can. So the vast amount of information stored in long term memory, I can call it the urban learn, get around in the environment, build a sense of identity, personal story, the alto due to long term memory. Okay? So long-term memory, it may be days, months, years, or even lifetime. It depends. Duration and they're going to cover it. Long-term memory is a creo. Take a mutual declarative care, implicit memory. Rather, mutually implicit memory. Kada kono lari implicit memory can implicit memory. So moko kon to implicit memory can declarative memory. Ala gwa me take do me da kon one da kon collect information. Yen ta gorta conscious recollection of information. Ala sometimes ala me ci do yo ba take tidong ci kon la ni wal ke ti kon to. Dere ngwana dere ka recollect conscious la ngi ci ko ta either a specific pack till I got ken to talk to ci kon to ki e be ni ci kon to right take the new one. So me could remember one, but could remember consciously. You are conscious about them. You are very aware. Tan and could remember. No me, a conscious recollection, conscious the little more conscious recollection those information by surely declarative calculation memory. Chow da carel. Check a semantic memory. Semantic memory, a recollection of part. Muta to talk along, want to talk to that walk right to talk one. Throw Muku remember. So because remember the long-term memory, type of declarative visual somatic memory, factual knowledge, check a meaning of what, the meaning the pan concept. Our ability to do math. So three, one important example. Second, episodic memory. Episodic memory for event constitution. Da muke kan mun mu kwana la ta mu mu do ko ya ta ko na ci gella wutin da on san ji mala na on cin wal so those things those event kana what ko ne la wutin bro wala on tun ne jin yam to be ka lon ko mu ku remember don ta gwa kun nyal ka ni ci kon ti ni kun so ko you remember so those things can event if you are remembering those events but you are very conscious about them so three shall ke episodic memory so declarative cha da kare to semantic and episodic semantic we can remember the talk la factual thing but no matter he be no to talk nothing ki some situation don't you want to work okay non-declarative ki implicit memory this one if you see it is unconscious recollection of something but gwame memory will be affected by prior experience and plus the thing take me down to contact no money that experience can be a contact be a so whenever me see a query and more like a query and but after which I go to chilan chikulante which you will a process school wala it doesn't need conscious recollection the other than consciously like shibin yakulutin and me like you don't have Jen Chala don't without that experience being conscious recollected like that experience kulan with the Kenyan Chang Chu would Walarun ship long Muku in your collect like Shibo water a sometimes implicit memory shall a procedural memory a memory that one la process ne she ko how to she ko mi chala don how to atana do 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 na how to do something how to do na na kwana la ngo ge ranjela ko ni to ge so tan bi churu na nge be doan go nyam be doan be churu go jok no mani shi wo ala mi shi ne go je how to knowledge or procedure ke skill one important example ka procedural memory kio mi shall implicit memory implicit memory yan jalo procedural memory so ru mi chuo chi gira jalo ka sheku ngai mi chuo we ko ga jalo ka shi we jalo remember ta dan mi chuo ngai go chi we remember ta dan ne la ni gi ne le shiru na pe go chi ko ga jalo ka jamo ro bu ngoi ni so another best way ka declarative non declarative ka implicit memory again ta na ko principle remember ga ala ngot tin cha lat ala ngot tin cha ana ngot tin cha wa ba dor bal ke so kan nam gor kan udu tin so mi chiga ma yoru mi chiga wotin chiga la wati no cha mi cha wa la kan ko chiga ku tunga chiga kurian tin la wani dire la ne ko ala ngi dilo de rules mane step tin la tun wani ke kan de alto no ko tan chi wajak ne ram ne kwana la che nyam dong la ta ku na ta na ne be kon ngi ni be ngai ba ru mi cha open widu gwaran chiga kurian wata ngi jan bang che tin wo ne la jo kan la le na bi ta ngi jan bang la che unconsciously so ba lo mo ko ko la so another important thing take me a serial position effect no make a long term memory sometimes take me the long term memory the one that about take some effect to a serial position effect the long term memory the mal but no take a time that long term memory remember bana bari alaga man di call short term memory bana remember ga chunking so bana me yole sensor memory got attention but when man cha work short term memory take this yole serial position ka sometimes take two one to the look to do that item at the beginning of the list let's say take don ka example cha mun cha le me cha ji take ne cha ben yo go part ga don cha bin to deus ga ro cha do ga tin yam de den cha kala fi shirke la di ya buru mu gara kokin na shirke la bunya le shi ya buru mu gara de hokti da shirke bunya le ko na lar no so item din the beginning kala shala primary effect la primary effect katin nyam gara nyam de nyanga item din ne ka ne ka la sa la gar de hokti to wa te ta no deus recent effect recent effects so mu ko go so sometimes in this back model, a serial position effect is used to explain interesting phenomena. A first item, middle item, the last item. Which of one will come? Sometimes you were there, the radiant block. First, don't remember it in young. Here, which you took on to the dark and garden to the job. Dark and null, dark and garden and dark and block. But Raman allow one and a mission which you walk on a lagwala long term affected. And what are either my last me can man job a color taco would work and not longer cut off. So then she had a serial position but dark on short term memory dark on remember our go to Michel Hazal. Short term memory go to Michel Hazal. A lot of Hazal did daughter of cook, we took a time and did man was our long term memory. Long term memory with our result and very difficult. Hazal waiter, she could con a la Micha Gillet shoot cut war. But no more, don't take one a lot, take a soup, don't take a jago or gorgo soup, but no more legend could you do, but I never point there, Lala, good again. I would take it, I sure it's all right. So do you want more again, shoot more dear Latin, we look at it, shoot, care, Mologena, money, show me to be a bill cop. You have a joke on the monitor, then you're and no one queen, but no queen. Take a go over as we do because we do buckle up jingle or do a logical, Manu chick what we do, so go walk a long time in the Torachi, we know for we know. Much already heard that. The last part, a factor that affect memory. Factor affecting memory, we mean that take the memory, alaka, memory, secondary alaka. Ala woman, memory, as stated already, a process that includes total learning, total attention, total remembering. So as such, all the three processes are important for good memory. So anything will be learning, retention, remembering will be affected by memory effect. Take 11 factors to chala run. One, ability to retain. Ability to retain, a time didn't take ability to do long, come could remember. This depends on good memory traits left in the brain by the past period exactly. But sometimes they say, I let those things teach you like a brain do, make it jerk. Sometimes they take ability to retain. Second, take on take a lot, make it one along theatre, let's say, which an adult, one, chakalat. So she can't continue along Moko return. but michi information te kon te chaban ni to mo ka to go na ya bu ka so can good health yeah ngai kon je we take a good health it is better the retention better go age of learners sometimes ala got into any long la youngster they learn better than aged people ala older people na Michael how the maturity ala very young children cannot retain and remember complex material that's true ala maturity lot kunu wo mi chiwo ku jiga to ne long dara ando da man ngai but mi chiga complex la chiga to ngolo chiga no longer remember the natan though they're willing to remember sometimes they kon ngonda kon priority mi chiga willing to remember let's say they should adult mi chiga willing to do na bol ka la take mi lu gure te dia la da chiga da lo but mi chiga willing la hotel lo ku no go do lo ngele dire ka long ko le ka mi ngoro though the intelligence ba ngwa jog their interest but they're willing to remember which are overlearning sometimes is better okay overlearning will lead to better memory we know that so there's a hands thank you